This is the Model Y rotating treble installation tutorial. First, take out our T30 tool. There are 2 screws here. Remove them first. Then there is another one here. There is also a screw here. Let's pry out this cover. Pry it. Remove the 3rd screw here. After the screws are removed, we use a pry bar and insert the pry bar from here. Pull it out. Then the door panel is loose. We lift the original tweeter up and take out the original tweeter. After removing it, the whole door panel will come out. Pull it up. Then unplug all the wires and plugs below and remove them. Then we unplug the original car's plugs and clips off. Then the entire door panel can be removed. Then we unplug the speaker plug. Remove the 4 screws and remove the speaker. We loosen the screws of the inner liner plate. Don't remove the screws completely. Just loosen it enough to create a small gap. Then loosen the board a little bit. Pull it out a little bit. And route the wire along this gap. Pry it open this connecting plug. It's all glued. Just pull it out. Then do the same on this side. Take out the rubber sleeve. Here are 2 clips. We can adjust it with a screwdriver and it will come out. Then insert the along the gap we just loosened. And insert the wire into the door panel. Just walk along here. Pull it along the seam all the way into the car. Pass the wire through here and guide it over. Then thread the line. Pull it along the rubber sleeve to the car interior. Connect it to the car's plug. Pass through the rubber sleeve and then along this gap. Pull it inside to the bottom of the pillar. And that's where the line comes out. Then pull the wire into the car and plug it into the line labeled the pillar. Plug them in at this position. Ambient light to pull 2 lines to the door panel. One for the ambient light. One is a line with a column written on it. Where to get the ambient light power cord from? We take it from the rear outlet. This panel, remove it with a rocker or something. There are clips inside. We find this blue plug and unplug this blue plug. Then take out our adapter cable. Wait. Then we plug one end into here. And plug one end into this side. These 2 wires are labeled as connecting to the pillar. Where do we pull this wire to? We follow the sides of the seat. This wire is pulled into the door and connect to the rotating treble. After we connect it, we can follow the side of the car and go around here and hide the wires along the outlet. Keep going, then along the pillar pedal until it reaches the inside of the door. Then follow this line all the way from here. Go straight to this pass plug until it reaches the inside of the door. Then plug it into the rotating treble. The same operation is done on both sides to remove this side panel. And the same on both sides. The same on both sides. Pry this board off. After prying it off, we insert a pry bar. And insert it from here. And pry it up. There are clips underneath. Lift up. After removing the clips, we can pull it out a little bit. Then we can lift the entire panel. And here, we can see the original ambient light plug. Then plug the one on the right. Pinch the clip and pull it down. Pull it out. Then take out our adapter cable. It's better. Then there will be 2 more heads like this. Then take out our extension cord. There is an extension cable for this which is written on it. Then connect one end here. And the other end. We pull it along this trim to the door. Plug it together with our lamp holder. Remember to pull this head inside the door. Use another adapter cable for the other head. Along this side. Wrap the wire with tape. Wrap the plug. Stuff it along here. Keep pushing it in and insert it inside. Hide the wire inside. Then do the same on both sides. Like this. We insert the wire into here. Then remember not to touch the clip. Insert it inside. Just install this board. Then the left and right wires come out along the door, so rubber under the pillar. And pull it all the way into the car, and then connect the rotating tweeter. Okay, we pull out the sets of wires from the door. It says here to connect to the pillar. There is also a 3-wire plug on this module. We plug these 2 plugs in, which is labeled as adapter pillar, adapter and for plug a pillar. The 2 plugs in. Then we have an ambient light plug left here, and the motor drive plug. We fix the module here, and leave the 2 plugs here. Then take out our rotating tweeter. We insert the wire from here in advance. Then this blue plug is plugged into the black speaker plug of the car. Put the card on first and fix it. Then the white head is plugged into the white head of the ambient light. Then plug the 5-pin head into the 5-pin head. And then there's the 3-wire connector we just used. I plugged in a 3-wire, a 4-wire, 1 3-wire, 1 3-wire, a 5-wire, a 2-wire, wire-to-wire sequence plug. 2 wires, 3 wires, 4 wires, 5 wires, just plug them in. Then we will install the rotation back. When we started reloading, take the rotation off a little bit. We put the door panel on. After buckling the rotation on, door panel card back. How to install the rotary? Remember, there is a clip to hook into this. Hook it here. Align it properly. And click it down. Okay, rotate the treble and the installation is complete. Then we can test it.